Choose to rent. Advancing events through technology.
Designed especially to meet the needs of the hospitality market, the ZC10L is the only large format, direct-to-card printer that can print full, edge-to-edge single color cards in one printing. Produce custom, oversized badges, passes, and tickets for all kinds of events. Pre-printed options are available upon request for backside printing of cards. Connect the printer to a power outlet using the AC adapter and flip the power switch on in the front. The green power light will turn on. Before inserting the PVC cards into the card drawer, fan the cards to remove any static that can cause the cards to stick to prevent card jams. Open the card drawer and insert the 3.5 by 5.5 PVC cards with the tab side facing down. Install the card catcher in front of the card drawer and close it. Install the color ribbon by sliding the take-up spool into the guide rails toward the front of the printer, then the supply spool toward the rear of the printer. Connect the printer to any Windows device via the supplied USB cable. Navigate to the control panel on your Windows device and set the printer as default. All rental Windows devices come with pre-installed printer drivers, allowing for seamless configuration with your event registration software. Periodically during your event, dispense the PVC card edges to prevent overflowing the waste bin.